Did you know? A blue whale's heart is so massive that a small child could swim through its arteries? Did you know? The fingerprints of a koala are so similar to humans that they have been confused at crime scenes? Did you know? Cows have best friends and can become stressed when separated from them? Did you know? Honeybees can recognize human faces and remember them for their entire lives? Did you know? The tongue of a chameleon is twice the length of its body? Elevate your understanding with the curiosity of the animal kingdom. Subscribe now for more incredible facts that will keep you soaring in wonder.